Come with me in Baguio City. This is the view from SM Baguio. It's very peaceful. Besides the mall having no air condition, I'm actually amazed that their only transportation is via taxi. It's really cold because we went there. It's super rainy. Then we just ended the day at the Sky Ranch. The next day, we decided to... We're off to Valley of Colors. And guys, I really manifested so hard that this day would be sunny for us to be able to enjoy Baguio na rin kasi ang pangit if umuulan. Kami guys, sa Valley of Colors. And see, pina-experience talaga sa amin ni Lord na umaraw ng bongga. And hindi lang yan, nagka-sunburn ako ng sobra. Our next stop is Bell Church, which is... nakakatakot. It made me realize that every damn tourist spot here in Baguio is really steep and talagang para kang namundo. Third stop is a girl's stone and super cute ng mga animals kaso medyo naawa lang ako kasi super init talaga. Fourth stop is Camp John Hay na kumain muna ng strawberries bago hingalin si Badeng. As you can see, super ganda ng trees dito. Then kain sana kami dito. Sakay na kami. Sakay na. Oh my God. We decided to go home and rest after the boat ride. Then during the night, we went to the night market. So, ari ni siya guys, ang night market guys. Scallop po sa akin. Isang order. Grilled scallops guys. Ibang dami. Pero yun yung gusto ko. Basically, kumain lang kami and namili kami ng pasalubong sa night market. And then, kinabukasan, umuwi na kami. And I'm looking forward to more trips with my besties. Or solo trips. Who knows, diba? Kakaamalay mo, boyfriend na.